ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road.
Hey guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I did unboxing, like, you know, a mini haul. And so I bought some stuff for my kids and for carnival and all of that jazz. So I'm going to just show you guys what I bought. Also I do have a tutorial on this look if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. This is one of the carnival makeup looks that I did. I have a few more videos that will be coming out, so you guys can look out for those as well. But let me just get right into this unboxing. So first I'm going to show you guys. So I had these in my cart from like last year. Finally getting these. Let me tell you, to be honest, it's cute and it's pretty. It's actually supposed to stick on its own without glue, but as you can see, this is actually it keeps on coming off, so I have to be like, you know, putting it back on. And I mean, it marks the spot on my forehead, so okay, I'm fixing it, and so it marks the spot on my forehead, so I can't take it off. And I want to do this unboxing. So my thing is, it's cute and pretty, but I think I would have to remove the gems one, you know, to attach them to somebody or try to stick it on with glue, which I don't think will work. But yeah, these are pretty, and so I got these. Unfortunately it's a bummer because I thought, you know, if I can't, well, initially I thought I would put them on one, but since it comes with a self stick, the self stick doesn't work. And I mean, for somebody who's gonna jump carnival all day, this will legit come off once you start sweating. A lot of persons always ask me what I use on my clients, and these are the lashes that I use, and these are the J Lash USA lashes, and I legit got them from J Lash USA. I usually buy like 6 of them because it's, you know, I try to buy under $50, and so I usually get 6 each time for my kit. And listen, it works out better for me when I buy them online. You know, as a makeup artist, I'm trying to do less spending, you know. So yeah, I actually just look for the deals online. I got these, well, I'm all over the place, so I buy from wherever I tell you I get the stuff from. That's exactly where I go to purchase them, unless I tell you I bought it on Amazon. And so these are the AOA Studio eye brushes, and it's 10, so it's actually 10 eye brushes. The packaging is cute, yeah, and it comes with, you know, stuff to put it in. So my plan is to do a video using all these brushes to see how they work out for me. It feels okay, but I have to test them using eyeshadows to tell you if they really work or not. So that's what I plan on doing. And if they work, I guess I'll just purchase another set for my kit. I also bought these lashes from Amazon, and let me tell you, so yeah, I got these from Amazon, and I bought like 10 of them because it took like a whole month to get here. And so I just say, okay, since it's gonna take a month, let me order 10 of them. Yeah, so I guess I'll just order when I'm out again. And this is for my kit as well. I'm actually gonna take a pack because I do stash them with the J Lash, so I use one of these and one pair of these together, and that's what I wear for work most, if not all the time. So I see a lot of persons talking about the Wonder blenders from ShopMissA, and it's $1.55, and so I bought a few of them for my kids because I love to use beauty blenders on my clients. I try with the brush, but listen, nothing works for me like my beauty blender. And so yeah, I bought those. I also been wanting a few palettes from the Juvia's place, and I legit only own one palette from the Juvia's place, which was the mini masquerade palette, and so I bought 3 of them. So this is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's place. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I actually did not take off the plastic. And so these are the shadows, and these are matte shadows. And of course, I'm a makeup artist, and so I have palettes with just shimmers, so the matte works perfect for me because I have something to match it with. And so of course, if you want to use matte colors on your eyes, then I can create a lot of looks from this palette alone, which I plan to do as well, you know, just to get some videos on the YouTube channel to bring up my creative side as well. And so I also got the Zulu palette. I've been wanting this palette for so long, and I actually use it in this tutorial. I had a little bit of issue using the purple shadow, but of course I'll try to use the palette again to see the result. But the colors are so pretty, and Carnival is coming up, so I'll definitely be using this a lot. The next palette I got from Juvia's place is the Saharan by Juvia's, and so this is also another colorful palette. Of course, you guys know Juvia is all about colors, and of course it's right up my alley. And this comes with a mixture of shimmers and matte colors, and I can use this palette on myself and also on clients. So of course I'm not going to buy a palette I'm not going to use on my clients, so you know. Yes, so this is another palette for my kit, and of course I'll be using it on myself. I don't see the sense of having an eyeshadow palette for my personal use and an eyeshadow palette for my kit, because listen, I have palettes that I don't even budge to touch some of the colors, and of course if I should use them on my clients alone, then the shadows will never finish. And so yeah, that's that from Juvia's. I bought some stuff from BH Cosmetics as well, and this is the Studio Pro Ultra Artistry palette. I got this palette and it was broken, so I was refunded my coins, and I actually chose the wrong palette. I'm so pissed, but anyways, I got my money back, so I guess I'll purchase the other palette some other time. And of course I told you guys it's broken, and so it's a bit messy. I tried to set back the 3 shadows that fell out. I don't think I fixed them properly. I don't think I did a good job fixing them, so I'll definitely have to fix them again. But this is what the palette looks like, and I can definitely see myself using this on both clients and myself. Of course I'm a YouTuber, so I need different palettes to work from, so you know, I can test them out so you guys can go ahead and purchase if you wish to. And so with buying the stuff from BH, I actually got this brush set for free. Royal Affair 10-piece metallized brush set. These brushes look so cute, but they kind of look flimsy, so I'm excited to try these. Actually didn't pull these out the packaging, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll definitely use this in a tutorial, you know, using all the brushes to see if it's a win-win for you guys to purchase or not. I have to be fixing this legit all the time, so you see, this is why I love to buy stuff, test it out on myself first before I put it on my clients. Because look, if I had just purchased this to just put on my clients, imagine they're out at Carnival and this just fall off. That would be so terrible. Tarnish my little repetition and I try for bail. I also saw Beautiful Beginnings when we were working together in Carnival season, in the graduation season. I saw her use this gel liner, and it's brown and black, and this is so good. So I actually purchased 2, so I'm gonna have one for my kit and one for my personal use. And I got this from Amazon. I also purchased 3 brush from BH Cosmetics. These are eyeshadow brushes. You know, I feel like I have so many face brushes and not many eye brushes, and like, since I've been doing a lot more eye makeup tutorials, I feel like I need more brushes for eye makeup, you know, small and detailed brush, larger brushes. And so I got these 3, and the handles, they feel really good. So of course when I'm using these, I'll let you guys know the numbers. And I think the last thing, oh, I actually got some NYX liquid liner, and I got the blue. These are the Vivid Bright, so I got the blue, and I purchased the white. You know, I need to do some wing liner, colored liners, and so this is why I purchased these 2. I guess if I need other colors, I'll definitely purchase them, but for now, you know, you guys know I like to use gel liners and not the liquid liners because it's easier to work with. I finally purchased, oh, these were on sale, but yeah, I finally purchased the It's My Riri eyeshadow palette along with the brush sets that was in her collab. And if you haven't seen what the palette looks like, it has these, which are contour shades, which can be used as eyeshadows as well, and highlighters. This will go perfect for my brides. And so these are the shadows. Wow, it's so pretty. Neutral, so you guys know I'm on the neutral side, so this palette will work so much good for me when I go for all my bridal makeup. And so for the brushes from the It's My Riri collection, these are the brushes. And of course I use the It's My Riri palette along with the brushes in a video. I know it's been a while since she got her stuff, but yeah, I'm finally getting my hands on it. So yeah, but yeah, I'll still do the video nonetheless, even though I am late with the video. Oops, see there? And so yeah, I actually also got a bag along with the stuff that I purchased. I'm just gonna use this as a wig bag because I always need bags to put my wigs in to secure my wig. And last but not least, I also purchased this hair and body glitter from Amazon, which can be sprayed, as you can see. Let me show you. So you can see the sparkles. So this is definitely for my carnival babies, and I think you're the thing real fast. I'm a video and done. I'm hungry now. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know how you guys think about me unboxing other stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this mini unboxing slash makeup haul for my kit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't a subby as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss when I upload, you know. Be in the know. Follow me on all my social medias. Those will also be linked down in the description box, and I'll pop them up on the screen for your convenience. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye babies.